Mabuhay, this is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Maayong hapon sa inyong tanan. May I request to all the people that assigned to the following clients, our clients, UCI, BT Consumer, Apollo Technology, Davao Amigo, Geron Distribution, Astra Group, Sanitic, and NBS. Please submit your number of days, transportation allowance, or any overtime for the period March 1 to 15. If possible, if you can do that tonight, please send your complete details. Baka magtaka mo nga nung sayo ko na ngayo sa inyong number of days is pizza 12 pa, just because early tomorrow we will process your payroll. Kasi this weekend we will be attending to our summer outing. Early kayo nga mo ang summer outing just because by April is busy na kayo mi in month of May. So please guys, follow the system para early sad madawat ninyo inyong blessings. Thank you so much. Please be guided accordingly and God bless us all.